In Sweden, there is a dinner that happens late in the summer, outdoors, often at night, with small shellfish, paper hats, and songs, all at the same time. It's called a Kräftskiva, a crayfish party, where people gather to eat crayfish together. Usually in August, when the season officially begins, tables are set outside, decorated with lanterns, napkins, and small, slightly unusual hats, which people put on and then keep on. The crayfish are boiled with dill, salt, and spices, then served cold, as they should be. They are eaten by hand, slowly. You open them, take them apart, and work your way through. It's not efficient, which is part of the point. There's bread, often cheese, and sometimes small sides, but they tend to become secondary. At certain moments, people sing short songs, usually before drinking, which most people seem to know or confidently pretend to. This tradition comes from a time when crayfish fishing was limited to a short season, which made it something to wait for and then fully commit to. It's not quiet, not particularly tidy, and not especially structured, but it works. A crayfish party isn't just about food. It's about repeating something familiar in the same way. Every year, in Sweden, some traditions don't need to change. They just return exactly as they are. Subscribe to discover Sweden the Swedish way.